Hi, grade ninth. Today we will see second chapter of history, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. To understand Russian Revolution and socialism in detail, first we should know these three terms better. That is liberals, radicals and conservatives. Who were they? What were their policies? And what after? We will see each and everything in detail in this chapter. Actually, these people were wanted to bring change in society. So these three groups were prominent, and we have to go for these three groups. First, liberals. Liberals were one of the group or such people when they looked to change society. They were the liberals. Liberals wanted a nation. Liberalism emerged in Russia before the Russian Revolution and continued to develop among constitutional democrats like Pavel Milikov, living in exile after 1917. And these are some history regarding liberals. Then its creation. Its creation also is very much important. If we look at the creation till 1991, we have history of this creation. Then radicals. Who were radicals? Radicals were people who wanted a nation where the government should be elected by a majority of the people or population, and some of them wanted women to participate in the same. So radicals were this view that women should be there in the revolutions. Radicals thought is inseparable from the history of Russian socialism for many reasons. It was in Russia that the first socialist revolution broke out, one that saw the expression of vigorous current of radical revolt, and that was the one of the rigorous and vigorous current radical revolt. In 19th century, Russia was not lacking in currents of thought or revolutionary groups whose Jacobin inspiration would seem to link up. There were so many people in these radical revolutions. Now, third group, that was conservatives. Who were these conservatives? They were not ready for changes. They wanted to discard the ideas of changes. Means changes were not acceptable for these conservatives. At one point, they agreed to the upcoming changes, but they wanted that the same time the past ones should be respected in the country. Now, people who benefited from its form of government that society wanted to stop or slow the rate of changes. So conservatives were different ones, radicals were different ones, and liberals were different ones in the process of socialism in Russia. Now, the main term Russian Revolution. The Russian Revolution was a pair of revolutions in Russia in 1917, which dismantled the Tsarist autocracy and led to the rise of Soviet Union. The Russian Empire collapsed with the abdication of Emperor Nicholas II, and the old regime was replaced by a provisional government. During the first revolution of February 1917, continued till March in the Georgian calendar, the old Julian calendar was in the Russia at that time. This was calendar difference, but it is very famous in the name of February Revolution. Alongside it arose grassroots community assemblies called Soviets, which which contended for authority in the second revolution. In the second revolution, it just went ahead. Then the October Revolution. Bolsheviks gained majority in Petrograd and Moscow, Soviet in September. Lenin called for a seizure of power. October, soldiers from Petrograd garrison, sailors from Kronstadt, and Bolshevik Red Guard storm the Winter Palace and arrest members of provisional government. So these were the 2-3 main events. Then November 9, 1917, new government, Council of People's Commissioner. Lenin was the chairman of that. Leon Trotsky, commissioner, and Foreign Affairs, Joseph Stalin, and Commissioner of Minorities. So these people were there in the October Revolution. Then February Revolution we saw, that is 1917. Petrograd, there are food shortage, women demonstrate, strikings were there, workers join in demonstrations, call for general strike. Such events started in the February Revolution. Then soldiers fire on demonstrators, but following day joined a revolution. By 20th February, Tsarist ministers are under arrest. So almost end of the February, all the Tsar people, Tsar ministers were arrested. Nicholas dissolves Duma, then abdicates, offers crown to his brother Michael, or some are called it Mikhail, but Michael is correct. But offer rejected by Michael. Duma returns to represent there. This is the February Revolution. Then how was the Russian Empire in 1914? Russian Empire in 1914, connection by 1914 led to Russia's entry into the First World War on the side of France. This is the time of First World War, 1914. The United Kingdom and Serbia against the Germans, Austrians, and Ottoman Empire. The Russian Empire functioned as the absolute monarchy until the Revolution of 1905.